Hi, in this question, I'm going to solve practice question for earning money. So let us take a look. A cashier works 38 hours. Okay, 38 hours per week and earn $731.88. What is this as an hourly rate of pay? So this is as 38 hours per week and earns. So we can just divide it by 38. So for hour, it's gonna be $19.26. This is per hour. That's number one. And next, number two, what's the annual salary of the person who paid $2,130 per month? So we can just make it $2,130. We multiply it by 12. As 1 year, there are 12 months, so we multiply by 12. So here this will get it as $25,560. Okay, let's take a look at number 3. An electrician assistant earn 25.5 per hour for 35 hour a week and 1.5 times the hourly rate for each work above 35 hours. How much assistant will earn? Okay, 36. So this is equal to 35. We plus by 1 hour. 40. This is 35. We plus by 5 hours. 30. Okay, it's not more than 35. So we can just write as 30. 42 hours. So this is 35. We plus with 7.5 hours. So let's calculate. 4. This is A. So 35 we multiply it with 25.5 plus with we got 1 hour multiplied by 1.5, then multiplied by 25.5. So for the first person, the assistant, they will got $930.75. For B, we got 35. We times with the annual per hour, which is 25.5. We plus with the extra, which is 5. As this is 1.5 times, so we times with 1.5. Then we times with 25.5. So after you calculate it, you will get the answer of 1,083.75. Next, for the C, as this is normal hour, so we can just write it is 35. 30 multiplied by 25.5, which is weekly, they will get as $765. Next, for D, 42 hours and a half, so we can make it as 35 multiplied with the normal hour, which is 25.5, plus with the extra 7.5, or this is 7.5. We multiply with 1.5, then we multiply it with the rate of per hours, 25.5. So it will get $1,179.38. Next, number 4. Sandy earns a gross salary. Okay, it's still gross. The company deducted 15% income tax. Okay, 114.2 insurance and 1.5. Okay, so the deduction, so this is the gross 1613.9, and we minus with the deduction, which is 15, and then we got 1.5. So this is 15% and 1.5, so 16.5%. Then we multiply with minus with 144.2. So 1,613.9 minus with 16.5%. Then we minus with 144.2. So this for A, it will get as $1,203.50. This is the net salary after deduction. Next, B, under employee, so it's 1,203.5. Deduction is 15 and 0.5, 1.5, which is 16.5%. And the insurance is $174.20. So here is gonna be $830.72. Number 5, so the clothing factory worker is paid the equivalent of 1.67 per completed garment. So this is if completing 320 in a month. So how much the worker will get? So we can make it 325. We multiply it with 1.67. So it's gonna be the dollar of 542.75. Okay, number 6. A bank clerk receive annual is mean per year, but it's paid weekly. Okay, so 1 year equal to 52 weeks. Okay, 4% weekly gross earning are paid into the pension fund and an addition of 93.50. Okay, so first let's make it for the A. So if the weekly, so we can just make it 32,500 we divided with 52. So 32,500 we divided by 52. So here the weekly gross, still gross without deduction, it's gonna be $625. So weekly pension fund payment, okay, 4%. So we can just make it for B is 4% of $625. So 4% of it, which is $25. Now it's net income per week. So we got 1 week is $625. We minus with 5% of it, which is $25, and minus with here 9.3.5 deducted each week. So we minus by $93.5. So here will give us the answer. The net income after all deduction is gonna be $506.5. There it is. Thank you.